Welcome to Loyds Industri in Sarpsborg, Norway. The workday has just begun and production is about to start. But if you're here to get to know us, let's take a step into the archives and look back at where it all began. It started with a vision to create innovative solutions for a changing world. Loyds Industries was founded in 1952. In the early years, we produced seat covers and child car seats, a task that evolved into the development of two-point seatbelts. Our seatbelts were supplied to brands such as BMW, Ford, Volvo, Volkswagen and Saab. In the 1990s, our focus shifted towards commercial vehicles. Production evolved, and new, more advanced machinery became part of our journey forward. In 2018, our factory expanded, growing to 11,500 square meters. With several new machines added, production took another step forward. What you see here is our manufacturing of vehicle lining systems for commercial vans. Today, we supply interior linings to multiple international automotive brands. And at a time when efficiency matters more than ever, we are proud to design and manufacture these solutions right here in Scandinavia. In 2015, we launched Smartfloor, an intelligent vehicle storage solution designed to help plumbers, carpenters and electricians work more efficiently and ergonomically. Today, we take our vision further with one of Europe's most modern machine parks. Our latest investment, a Salvagnini panel bender P2, a state-of-the-art machine, makes production faster, smarter, and more precise than ever before. Every component we manufacture passes through an optimized workflow where technology and human expertise work hand in hand. One of our greatest strengths is that we bring sales, purchasing, innovation, development, and production together under one roof. Our engineers work closely with the factory floor, where ideas quickly turn into reality. For us, innovation means nothing without quality. We are ISO certified and test, measure, and fine-tune every detail to meet the highest standards. Through advanced automation, we minimize waste, maximize sustainability, and deliver products our customers can rely on, today and in the future. In a manufacturing operation, waste is inevitable. For us, sustainability is not about promising perfection, but about taking responsibility for what we can influence. That's why we continuously look for practical and smart ways to make use of material left over from our production. One example is our own heating plant, where surplus wood is ground into chips and used to produce our own energy. It's a concrete way for us to reduce waste, make better use of resources, and create something positive from what would otherwise go to waste. With one of Europe's most modern machine parks, and the right people in our team, we continue to drive innovation and quality forward. We are Loyds Industri.